Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another mansion tour. This home is nested in Beverly Hills in Truesdale and it's listed for $15,625,000. This home is 5 bedroom and 8 bath, and the listing agent has an amazing relationship with some artists, and there's a lot of Andy Warhol art in here. So we'd like to show you the garage.
Rolls Royce.
Yeah, so this is Andy Warhol's 1974 Rolls Royce, a silver shadow, and it's on consignment with Revolver Gallery. And so if you like any of the artwork as well as the home, we can definitely get you in contact with that. And there can also be a price with all the artwork included. And so this is a picture of Mr. Andy Warhol in the Rolls Royce.
Nice.
And so let's go ahead and take a tour of the home. So this is the entrance. And they literally put artwork like everywhere you can think of.
It's cool.
Isn't she a beauty?
What's the list price on this?
So this is the living room,
How many square feet is it?
dining room.
7,595, lots are 24,000. Price per square foot is 2,057, the lowest price for new construction.
And this is a really famous, the Campbell soup. I'm sure you've seen it before. And the kitchen is just so beautiful. I think one of the most important things to have in a kitchen is natural skylight, and it really illuminates the room. And when you're cooking, you want a lot of, you want a lot of light. And one of the things is all the homes have like little Buddha statues, but they wanted to bring a little Zen into the home. So this is the sculpture they came up with. Powder room. Now this can be used as a bedroom, but currently it is being used as an office.
Nice. The camera's there.
Yeah. You definitely want some security, and this is the elevator.
Oh.
So this is the master bedroom. Now the great thing about this master bedroom is that it's on the main level of the house. And when you're actually living in the house, it's nice to have the master bedroom on the same level as all the other rooms, because this is the room that you live in. I'm going to show you to the outdoor area, and this is where you're going to be hosting all your barbecues. And in Los Angeles, it really pays to have an outdoor space because we have wonderful weather all year round. And then here we have some lounge chairs, and of course all the best barbecue grills.
Barbecue.
Yeah. So you definitely have a nice dinner out here. And this is a stove, so you can cook stuff.
Refrigerator.
Just in case you don't want to walk all the way to the kitchen, which is right there. And then so now we're going to show you the downstairs. And the downstairs has all the guest rooms and the media room. So this is the media room, and I love having a media room because if you're someone that wants to just blare up the TV and you just want some privacy in your home, it's a great place to do that. A lot of people in Los Angeles are part of the Academy, and if you get, you know, videos from there, you can definitely watch them. Game room. And currently, this room is being used as a massage and yoga room, but it can totally double as a guest room, guest bathroom in here. You want to take a look at the guest bathroom?
Very nice.
And so we saw the elevator from upstairs, and so
Oh,
here it
opens.
is.
Wow.
And so let's check the capacity of this. Is 950 pounds. So please skip dinner before you get into the elevator. And it is definitely a smart home, so all the controls are in here. And this is where you're gonna put your guests. So these are all suites. And so all the rooms have access to the outdoor area. Go ahead, Jason, go inside.
Awesome.
Yeah, and there is Andy Warhol in every little crevices of the home. Right here is an Andy Warhol Barbie.
Wow.
And all the suites have access to the outdoor area, which would be, I guess if you wanted to take that ladder off, you can go back to the pool. No, I'm just kidding, don't do that. It's a joke, it's a joke. And you know, it's really tranquil when you have all these waterfall sounds. It helps you sleep better, it helps you relax. It's a consistent sound. And I mean, a lot of people have like those rain shower kind of like audio things when they are sleeping. Another guest suite.
Very nice.
Rain shower, closet. Another guest suite. And so, I mean, what do you think about the house, Jason? Do you think it's worth?
It's huge.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's huge. Is it too huge?
It's separate from guest rooms, so
It
it's
is
also
separate,
cozy.
right? Yeah.
And awesome.
I totally agree with you.
Yeah.
I just love that the master bedroom is. I just love that the master bedroom is on the main level of the house.
Right.
Because when you're living in a home and when the master bedroom is on the second floor, it's just like when you're in your bedroom, like you don't want to go downstairs and get a cup of water. You don't want to like go open the front door. I mean, it's just, it's really too far, you know? And I used to live in a 2-story house. I hated it. And I think they did a really good job.
Very convenient.
So anyways, we wanted to thank you so much for coming out with us to do this home tour. If you have any questions about this home or any other home, if you wanted to do a home tour, get in contact with me through my website. It's www.caroline.choi.group.com. And I'd like to thank Jason for doing an amazing job today.
Hey, no problem.
Thanks, Jason. And so this YouTube channel is for you guys. So if there's anything that you want to see, anything you don't want to see more of, see less of, like please comment down below and let us know, because we're here, we're doing the videos for you guys, okay? Well, we love you so much and thank you so much for hanging out with us today.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.